Welcome to Academic Vocabulary Crash Course, Lesson Number 4, the flashcards. All we're going to do in this video is review the terms, the academic vocabulary terms, and what they mean. You can treat it like flashcards. If you want to pause it at each word and try to remember what it means, you can do that. Either way you use it, it's up to you. Let's get started. Organize. To organize means to arrange into a structured whole or order. Classify. Classify means to arrange or organize by classes to put things into groups. Analyze. Analyze means to examine something in detail, to understand it better, or to draw conclusions. Interpret. Interpret means to explain the meaning of information or actions. Identify. Identify means to recognize and name someone or something. Demonstrate. Demonstrate means to show clearly and deliberately, to present by example. Compare. Compare is to identify similarities between two or more items. Support. Support means to back up with details or provide evidence for a point. Illustrate. Illustrate means to explain or make something clear by using examples, charts, or pictures. Contrast. Contrast is to identify differences between two or more items. Describe. Describe means to give a detailed account or picture of a situation, event, or process. Conclude. Conclude means to bring something to an end or to arrive at a judgment or opinion by reasoning. Infer. Infer means to draw a conclusion based on evidence and reasoning. Explain. Explain means to make something clear by describing it in more detail or revealing important facts. Justify. Justify means to show or prove to be right or reasonable. Summarize. Summarize means to give a brief statement of the main points of something. Evaluate. Evaluate means to judge or determine the significance, worth, or quality of something. Predict. Predict means to say what will happen in the future based on current information or patterns. And that's the last word. Feel free to watch this as much as you need to remember the words. Good luck on all your testing. You're going to be amazing. I already know it.